So very good morning to all the 11th class students. As you know, we are doing trigonometry, and in trigonometry we are doing some basic identities, and then we are doing some questions related to these identities. So I will just tell you what are the two identities that we will learn today. Okay, one is this sum to product and product to sum. So what is sum to product identity? Sin C plus sin D is equal to, look at this very carefully, we use in most of the identity 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay. Then we have got sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Then we have cos C plus cos D is equal to 2. We have got what? Sin cos sin. For this one we have cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Okay. And we have cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. Based on this, I have given you homework question number 11 to question number 20. So let's do some questions based on this. Okay. First of all, we are doing this exercise 3.3. Okay. So in 3.3, we have got question number 11. Is this one? We have got cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos of 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. This is what you have to prove. Okay. So now how to prove that this is cos C minus cos D. Now we can use that fourth identity, cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2. So we will get these two both added together, 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, right, this one, and x and x will get cancelled. Sin C minus x, so this minus this, so 3 pi by 4 3 pi by 4 cancel, x plus x 2x, right. So this is what we are getting here. Now what is this? This becoming minus 2 sin, this is becoming 3 pi by 2, and this is sin 2x, right. And remember there is a sin also, C plus D by 2, so this is 2x by 2. Remember the identity. So now we are going to write 3 by 2 here and 2 here. So minus 2 sin, this is again 3 pi by 4, right, and this is sin x minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 is pi minus pi by 4. This is pi minus pi by 4 sin x, right, minus 2. And what is pi minus pi by 4? That is sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4, okay, and this is sin x. So this you can write here, and you will get minus 2 sin, what is sin? 1 by root 2 into sin x, and this root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled, and you get minus root 2 sin x. That's the answer. Okay. So the answer is minus root 2 sin x, right. So we have just proved it. Remember how we have proved? Using the identity cos C minus cos D. So that is one of the question. Okay. Now remaining questions, if you have tried, then you will understand what I am talking about. Suppose you take question number 16. Today we will do this cos C plus cos D identities only. So let's do them. Cos C plus cos D identity and sin C plus sin D identity, a very important one. Okay. So we have this question number 16. It is saying cos 9x minus cos 5x upon sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x cos 10x. Okay, this you have to prove. Now again the same identities that we have used here, cos C minus cos D. So what is this? 9 plus 5 divided by 2, 14 by 2, that is 7, and 9 minus 5 divided by 2, where that is 4 divided by 2, 2. And here look, 17 plus 3. So 17 plus 3 is what? 20 divided by 2, 10. 17 minus 3, 14. 14 and 14 will get 14 by 2, 7 will get cancelled in the numerator and the denominator, and this will be proved. So we are using cos C minus cos D here. Okay, that is minus 2 sin cos C minus cos D sin this plus this. 9 plus 5, 14 by 2, 7x. 9 and sin 9 minus 5, 4. 4 divided by 2, 2x. Sin C minus sin D, that is, this is cos and then sin. So 2 cos 17 plus 3, 20. 20 divided by 2, 10. And then we have got sin. Sin 17 minus 3, that is 14 divided by 2, 7. So now look, this sin and 7x and 7x gets cancelled. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So we are getting minus sin 2x upon sin upon cos 10x. That is the answer for this question. Okay, so easy one. So can you now try all the questions? Let me do one more question, say question number 20 for you, so that you can do the question by yourself. Question number 20, as you can see, is this one. Question number 20. Okay, we are doing sin x minus sin 3x, okay, upon sin square x minus cos square x is equal to 2 sin x. Okay, now what is sin x minus sin 3x? You can again use the same identity, sin C minus sin D. So this will become 2. Okay, the identity will be 2, and then you have cos x plus 3x, 4x, that is 2x, x minus 3x minus 2x, that is sin minus x. This is what you are going to get. Upon this I can write as this is minus cos 2x is as it is. This identity is of minus cos 2x. So minus cos 2x, and this is plus. So we are getting these two gets cancelled, and we are getting minus 2 sin minus x. Minus this we can take out of sin, so this will become 2 sin x. Simple identity. This is equal to this one is equal to minus cos 2x, because what is the identity for cos 2x? Cos square x minus sin square x. It is sin square x minus cos square. This is minus cos 2x. So that is the identity that we have done here. Okay, so now remaining work is your question number 21 to 25. You have to try using all the identities that we have given you. Okay, so learn the identities and try this work by yourself. Only when you try, then only you will be able to solve them. I think question number 14 also, let's do one. Is it doable or not? Let's see. Question number 14. Yes, it says question number 14 says sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x, okay, plus sin 2x plus sin 4x plus sin 6x. Okay, this is 4x. So sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. This you have to prove. So sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. Now this is what? We have to prove 4 cos square x sin 4x. So from these two we can combine. This we can just separate out. 2 sin 4x plus, if you add sin C plus sin D, what you will get? 2x plus 6x is 8x. So you will get 2 sin 8x divided by 2, 4x, and 2x minus 6x is what? 2x minus 6x is minus 4x upon 2, that is cos minus 2x. This is our LHS. We have combined these two using sin C plus sin D. Now look, sin 4x is common. So 2 sin 4x and 1 plus cos, this is what? Cos 2x, right? Now see, cos minus 2x is same as cos 2x. So I am writing cos 2x. right? 2 sin 4x. 1 plus cos 2x identity we are writing this one 2 cos square x minus 1. This 1 and 1 gets cancelled and you are writing 2 to the now multiply them 4 sin 4x cos square x, that is our RHS. Okay, so today you will be able to complete the exercise till question number 25. I am sure you will be able to solve the question by yourself, and you are learning all the identities. Paste them on a piece of paper and learn them every day, right? So see you in the next class.